Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and airbag deployment. This protects you and the vehicle. Next, remove trim pieces and lower panels using a trim puller and labeled bags for fasteners so nothing gets lost. Once this is done, unbolt visible screws. Torques and 10 mm sockets are common, and release clips gently. Make sure to keep bolts organized by location. This saves time during reassembly and prevents mismatched parts. You now remove the center console and glove box to expose hidden fasteners and wiring harnesses. This gives needed access. Once visible, label each connector, HVAC, airbag, infotainment, so reconnection is foolproof. Carefully disconnect electrical plugs and set modules aside on a protected surface. Then support the dash with a padded jack or a helper. When the support is secure, remove the remaining bolts methodically. Make sure you keep screws grouped by panel, so reinstallation follows the exact reverse order. You lift the dashboard evenly with a helper, guiding wire harnesses through openings and avoiding torque that can crack plastic or break brackets. Once free, route and secure vulnerable connectors to prevent chafing during reinstallation, and inspect mounting points for damage or worn clips that need replacement. Tighten fasteners to manufacturer torque where specified and reconnect the battery last. If the dash feels electrically resistant or airbags won't reset, stop and test the ground and battery connect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.